Hooray! I have hot water! Well, I finally got around to fixing the water heater. It wasn't working. In the process, I found 3 fuses open in my electrical panel, one of them being for the water heater. So I did analysis of what I needed to do to fix the water heater. After replacing the fuse, I decided to check a few things on the water heater. First is the over temperature thermostat in here. If I can get a little closer. Two brown wires here. That's the over temperature thermostat. It opens up when the water gets too hot. Safety feature. I measured, I had 12 volts on both sides, so I know it was working. The next thing I did was I checked the voltage on these red wires. There was no 12 volts on either side of this thermostat, so there was no voltage getting to the valve. So the valve wasn't being opened to allow fuel to get in to the chamber. Also, there was no spark on the spark generator. So that meant the control panel was bad. As you can see, this is a new control panel. I got a universal kit and installed it. So I got it came with the panel, an adapter for the plugs, and it came with the new spark generator. It's fairly easy to replace. Had to drill some holes for the mounting because it mounts differently. No problem. Hooked it up. Put the switch inside. Took a few tries, but I heard the clicking of the spark, and eventually I got a bit of flame there. And then I had to adjust this part to get the right kind of flame. Not too much, not too little. So now I've got hot water. I sold this for a little over $100 rather than replacing the entire water heater for $300 to $400. Of course, I have to flush this thing out. After all, it's been sitting for several months, not with water in it, fortunately, but probably enough sediment in there to make water taste bad. I understand you have to flush these things out every year, maybe twice a year, maybe more if you run into some bad water. But that's how you save money. And almost anyone can do this. It's very simple.